Done music.
Yeah! Big song, boy, never drop. Some girl are really my bella. Well, you see what I say title? But when you read your bella, I read the American. And that I read. I not start that I read. But guess what? I hear what she has said, man. Yeah.
Me still shop at DDs, I'm still shop at me.
Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Tariq Vlogs here with another reaction for you guys, and we're here with Chanel Moore. Yeah, my bella. You know me I say, what have a song for the girls, them people? When I know so we can't play be a gunman song over here, some be alkaline and be a cartel and be a popcorn and them thing there. You know me I say, I'm be a gold god and be a Shani and be a what bro god name again? What bro god name? You know me I say, what be the band song them? What have the girls them with the tight pum pum them to represent for? You know me I say, what have the Jamaican sexy body girl them to represent for? You know me I say, I'm say, you don't work a minute second to me. Gunners. You see man, in the comment section, man like gunners in the comment section type Yawabella. I say, what do you say? And then one of my friend them will live in America yesterday with me. She come from the bumbo clear walk past man care so you can't walk over there so. Anyways, one of my friend them live in America from Jamaica too. She say, yo, she bad, check out her song. Anyway. So I go present for the girls over the tight punani. Say don't have to go on ladies, run up on the like button. You know me I say, run up on the bumbuckle bit like button right now. Yes. I say if you're hatters, you know me I say, just take off everything when you have on right now and get ready for shake up your fat body on Tariq Vlogs. Come on this video to see your commenting into the right post and let's get straight to the reaction video right now.
Poppy Done music.
Yeah. Big song, boy, never drop. Some girl are really my bella. Well, you see what I say title? But when you read your bella, I read the American. And that I read. I not start that I read. But guess what? I hear what she has said, man. Yeah.
Me still shop at DDs, I'm still shop at Macy's, not got certain places.
I'm not Jamaican song this. She stop at where? Macy's not there, Jamaica. But go on! No, I'm not even pass the sing again. Let's run through the otherwise. Go on!
Your size don't wear it.
Yeah, exactly. What I know? I have to pause. I have to talk my talk. Then make a girl that not no sense. Right? You know I go buy one shoes just because it look good and it can't fit you. It a squeeze or bigger than your foot. Wear your size. You never hear the bumbo cause young girl wear your size. Go on do baby girl.
You better buy when your money can buy. Put some in your savings.
Shit. No, well I have to pause again. Learn to save on the money. Not because you want to go party. You see me I say, make the money spend the money for you save your own. And you pump me want. Run tune.
And you feel learn to depend on yourself. Do your little 9 to 5, me darling. Not like you check for Friday,
and at the same time, you have to learn to be independent too. Do your little 9 to 5 job. Save your money, dog. You do me I say, go and go work. You might book up a rich man in your workplace. And you see me as I mean, uno, yes, uno, woman. Go on.
Someone who don't use conscience. Rather buy here before you buy bed.
No, she attack facts. I mean no one girl. Me not warm to them girl. Yo, go on. Females I should say. Go on.
Before you put your kids before you. Big stink in your mid. What a good thing. Me no live for impress people.
I mean I don't hear that a while ago. Oh, what she does? Yo, viewers, me never tell them if you want to watch this video without me pausing, me never go pause it, but that's something I forget the reaction I get right now. So if you want to watch the full video without me pause it, link to the original song is down below in the description of my video. Go and check her out. Did me I say, she named Shish. At first me I hear her for her, honestly, I don't know this artist. But I'm going to check out her video. Run up her views here. Run through!
People. I will never ever live to impress people. And then I know how to live to impress people.
She said when she will never live to impress people. And she know how to live to impress people. Think about it. Say no people have impression of you. Me know me attack, but run through.
Me just a live my life. Talent over hype. Me not spend me rent.
Live your life. Talent over hype. Listen to her. Take some notes. You understand me? I try to say, run tune.
Tina no party. And now buy Patron if me don't have a pot right now. Me leave when I say
You talk about Patron. They must drink Patron in Jamaica. She there America. And most America she there. Cause she talk about Macy's, now she talk about Patron. America she there, man. Go on. I don't know if this artist for real. Like, understand me? You have to sit with me. Go on.
Say them a real hot girl and them stove not hot. Watch out when them man clown antenna. Them girl they are real Yamabella.
I better say Yamabella mean Yamid. I better say Yamabella really mean Yamid. But them stove not hot. No, so she a class of some of them girls that grimy too.
He bun me for them. Can't stand for say them. Can't man them under one umbrella.
Oh no! Ew! She a cry with some girl face so. I wish I was pan by the way. Me feel as somebody share this I just sang just sing for the girl them with us need to start do the things right way. Or as some share show. Me no know, let me know what go on. Go on do.
Think me no live for impress people.
Yeah.
I will never ever live
For impress people. Cheer me ready that go on there and go.
No girl can kick nor box me. Before my beg a girl and drive me ready go boom.
You hear that? Boom clash ready go boom a taxi. You not beg no girl no drive. Make sure you not beg her no ride in a piece of car or pop down car. You see me I say you have your own thing. And you go call a taxi man. You do me I say me girl. Yeah. Make them know.
Taxi out dirty heart fi come stop me. I rather go on like my blind, rather go on like my stop see.
Exactly. Make them know that no. Make them say me girl I really am a bella my friend. I want them to them. Run your tune your girl there go on. Yeah.
Full of subject me attractive.
Yeah.
When I see set up gallery inactive.
Yeah.
A Jamaica my born, yeah me style no.
Shit, make them know say Jamaica you're born. You see me I say you're born in Jamaica. Say know everything of a expect. You hear me? You know Jamaica no man is my strongest someone in the car. Nobody put no go through no dog. Well wait, take a moment to really appreciate ladies them that this world dog. Woman, thank y'all for being a woman. You understand me? I try to say thanks. And you see, me sorry, me really apologize. Me apologize to them for them like man there. We go the opposite side and don't like pum pum because me don't know how them man do it. Who not like pum pum dog? Who not feel like pum pum? You understand me? So for the woman them out there, when you find someone and the man them look good to them, but them just don't like pum pum. Me sorry. You understand me? First take one like ugly man, I want the pum pum, I need the pum pum, I can appreciate the pum pum. You understand me? I try to say, yeah, you hear me? Quotes by Tariq Vlogs, the reaction boss. Alright, let's go.
No adopted, so me no live for impress people.
She hate she go back in that course and never sang done there.
I know me even I say 40. If you say them, yeah man, them under one umbrella.
Yeah man, it's been about a tight reaction boss. Hope you'll enjoy my little reaction or whatever. And I'll see you guys on another reaction. Guess what? Vybz Kartel album I drop tomorrow. You know the reaction boss is outside and the girl them outside with that video. So stay tuned for that. And when it drop, I want to see one first in the comment section. No, first. I'm out.